Older people can make their lives easier by adopting practical habits, tools, and perspectives that support physical health, mental well-being, and independence. Here are some key ways. 1. Simplify daily routines. Declutter the home to reduce accidents and make movement easier. Use labels and storage organizers for easy access to daily essentials. Invest in assistive tools, grabbers, reachers, jar openers, etc. for physical ease. 2. Stay active, but smart. Engage in low-impact exercises like walking, yoga, or swimming. Follow a consistent sleep schedule and take naps if needed. Use mobility aids, canes, walkers, without shame when needed. 3. Embrace technology. Use smartphones or tablets for reminders, video calls, or health tracking. Explore voice assistants, like Alexa or Google Assistant, for hands-free control. Use online services for groceries, medications, or bills to avoid unnecessary outings. 4. Maintain social connections. Join community groups, senior centers, or hobby clubs. Keep in touch with family via video calls or regular meetups. Don't hesitate to seek counseling or support groups if feeling isolated. 5. Take charge of health. Keep a medication schedule or use a pill organizer. Schedule regular checkups and follow through with treatments. Learn about aging-related conditions to catch early symptoms. 6. Plan ahead. Prepare legal documents like wills, power of attorney, and advance directives. Consider downsizing or modifying the home, e.g., grab bars, stair lifts. Discuss future care preferences with family. 7. Keep the mind engaged. Read, do puzzles, play games, or take online classes. Practice mindfulness or meditation for stress reduction. Learn something new. It's never too late to pick up a skill or hobby.